Hi, I'm Patch. I'm a photographer based in London. This is a video about how to connect modern flash triggers to the Mamiya RB67. I've got Godox triggers, but I'm pretty sure the same approach, the same idea is going to work for all modern kit. Now, if you found this video, it's probably safe to assume you know why you want to do this, so I'm not going to waste your time trying to persuade you why this is a good idea. But when I was trying to figure this out, this information was quite hard to find, so I'm making this video to put it back out there because I'm sure I'm not the only person who wants to know this. What you need to do is look at your trigger and see what input ports it has, and then you need a cable that's going to go from that to the PC sync port on your lens. This one is the X-Pro trigger and it has a 2.5mm jack. So the cable you need is a PC sync male to male 2.5mm jack cable. This trigger is the X1T and it has a PC sync port. So the cable you need for that is male PC sync to male PC sync. Same at both ends. So you put the PC sync into there. You put your other end of your cable, whichever it is, into your trigger, and then you can fit it in the cold tube mount. Now, I don't know if it's just the Sony ones or if there are others as well, but they don't fit all the way in, so don't force it and damage it. Just put it in as far as it's happy to go, and then tighten it up, and you're good. There is one extra step with the X-Pro trigger. You have to make sure that the sync setting in the menu is set to in. Now, I've got lenses from the KL series, so on the barrel of the lens, the only option for the flash is X. Some of the older models have X or M, so just make sure that X is selected. And I suppose I should prove that it works. So that's on group A. Right. Let's go nice and bright. So it's got a long T-score and more likely to be picked up. Okay, so just to prove that it works, I've got this turned on, that turned on now. This wind on, I've got my dark side just out a tiny bit. I've got that. Let's go. There you see. So now that works. So this definitely works with these, and I can't say with 100% certainty, but I would be prepared to bet that this is going to work for any other brands as well. Just figure out what ports it has, get the right cable, and off you go. Some people out there also recommend this adapter from Kaiser, which works with a PC sync to PC sync with this adapter, which is a cold shoe to hot shoe adapter for a universal firing pin. Now, if you have a trigger that works from a universal firing pin, that can be a great option, especially if you don't have other input ports on the trigger. Otherwise, I think this is a simpler solution because it's just one cable. Pause a sec. I want to tell you that this solution with the Kaiser hot shoe adapter does not work with these triggers, which is why I had to come up with this alternative solution, which is actually better because it's just one cable. It might be because they're the Sony fit, it might be because they're Godox, I'm not sure, but whatever it is, it doesn't work. Anyway, if you want to see what I do, go check out my Instagram. It's @PatchHarvey for life stuff and PatchHarveyPhoto for studio stuff and work. Okay, that's all from me. Now get out there and use what you've learnt.